Hello, and welcome to the exotic location of Walmart. Today I'm here in Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I came down to visit hybrid racing here in my K20A swapped Integra DC2. Only problem is my AC went out on the way here. I think it's just a small little leak and needs to be recharged, but down here in Louisiana, it's extremely, extremely hot. So I'm gonna go into Walmart and see what kind of car parts they got or something to kind of cool me down. And I'm here with my buddy Jeff.
My name is Jeff.
Jeff here is gonna be the assistant of whatever product we buy, and we're gonna see how it actually does because people claim that they buy good car stuff here. Let's find out. Okay, so first things first, we need some kind of really bad air conditioning. So the first thing we're gonna get is a fan.
This is Louisiana, it's hot.
Does Jeff holding this is a $4,000 option? Direct air when you want it.
Circulate air where you want it.
After all this time working on the Integra for months on end, I was blinded by the JDM fanboys, Jeff. And here we are, not blinded anymore. I need my AC. The AC is broken. We need the air conditioning to work.
Your $4,000 option is now in.
Yeah, I paid $4 grand for the Jeff option. Everything's working right. Wait, does it not even turn on? Jeff, before we start, we need to do the fake car girl Instagram model test. So we need to see if we suffice with the fake wind in our hair. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're.
I feel nothing. I feel literally nothing. I go right here, guys, I still don't feel anything. It has to be literally perfect. And sometimes if you don't turn it on right, it'll keep shutting off. Imagine driving 8 hours just like this. And then you go to the dealership and get your Jeff option, and he just holds it for you.
This is well worth $4 grand.
It's not even hitting me. You can't even aim right. It's
Like, it's not even cold. Like, it just blows air.
It doesn't do anything, like literally nothing. Like, I need a haircut, guys, and my hair is growing the wings, and look, it barely moves the wings. I'm not gonna fly away anytime soon. That fails. What do you think?
You can say this AC does not blow you away.
Fail. I give that literally a 1 out of 10.
So you want to be a player?
So up next is we don't have a stereo system right now because when we painted the car, you have to reset it with some certain code through the radio, which I don't have, and I was just lazy. So we have our fully done up stereo system right here. We're just gonna put this in the back seat. It's gonna be great. Auto systems, it's gonna be a bumper from Need for Speed Underground 2. We have the party light one too. That thing's pretty dope. Way here, we used a JBL Bluetooth speaker and it just wasn't loud enough. So we're gonna go big boy. Okay, so I was looking for like some kind of cheap neon lights or something for the Integra inside, and I found these, which on the box say warning can cause cancer and reproductive harm. Don't buy these ever. I mean, I want to have a family later, so. Bros, look, it's Mia's Integra. It looks just like mine. Sweet. We have ambient interior lighting. Pretty sick. Guys, I'm not even kidding. Every single one of these products has the warning on them.
Boom and boom.
What do they make these out of? Hello and welcome to this install video. First things first, our crazy sound system for the Integra. I'm just gonna put it literally in the back seat. Back in the day in the early 2000s, they would like embed the sub in the seat. But you know, we're leading a revolution for people whose stereo systems do not work. All right, I just have this sucker in the grass right now. Big old speakers right here. I mean, they look pretty beefy to be coming out of a cigarette lighter. They say 450 watts, so we'll see how it does. Let's put it in the back seat. Unfortunately, you know, you forgot to wire up your sound system or you're getting blocked out after you painted your car, which is what happened to me. It's pretty good. It's not bad. I mean, but when you're on the highway, cruising at 5,000 RPM because the Integra Type R motor, the K20A that's in this car, you don't have an overdrive. So you're revving at like 5,000 RPM at like 70 miles an hour. So it's really freaking loud. That's the best way to describe it.
The bass is what makes it.
It's the bass. I mean, if you were next to someone at a light, they'd be convinced you had something.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's not bad. You know what? I give this like a 7 out of 10. What do you think? 7, 8 out of 10 for a really desperate person?
7.
7.
My seat is vibrating from it.
Yeah, because of your seat cover.
The ways of the underground.
My seat is shaking now. Depends on the song. That's it.
Yep.
And plus, I'm also going through YouTube, which is always quieter than iTunes. Whoa. It can't really handle iTunes.
No. It starts getting distorted.
Alright, I'm on a broken record right here, but honestly, guys, like, not bad. If you're lazy and you just want to plug it into your cigarette lighter and wire it through your dash, or your center console, you're good. Dumb? Yes. But it worked. I will say though, your idle will drop if you have an older car, because it is pulling a lot of watts out of that little 2-speaker system. But in conclusion, doesn't handle an actual app very well, like iTunes or anything like that, but it handles YouTube very well because it has that kind of buffer zone and the signal coming in. So yeah, 8 out of 10 for YouTube, 7 out of 10 for anything else. We have LSU because that dummy is hilarious.
White.
No.
Dickies, so you can have your Dickie jeans and your seats.
Official licensed product of Honda. Let's try this one. Wow, this is great for long road trips. Just in case you get lost on your cross-country trip, you got a thermometer, a compass, and a clock. Sounds good. I've never opened one of these. I've always been curious about these. Being a teenager, when you first get a car, you're trying to do anything possible to your car to make it feel different, and everybody unfortunately gives in and gets these. Well, I did it, and I'm proud. Nothing. It's just that. It's only one?
Yeah. You didn't read that? It said 1.
I thought it was a pair. We're gonna have basically like, not a mistake. Finishes Integra, makes it worse. Okay, we're gonna load this baby up. Installation complete. I definitely have to complain about this packaging though. That's definitely not Mia. How could they? This is definitely not them. Family baby face. How could you not design these for Sparko seats? Unfreaking believable. It's okay though. Your rear is in good hands. Honestly, the material itself isn't too bad, but the fitment is, well, it's Jeffed.
No.
I think they knew this was designed and researched and developed just for the Integra. All right, so put it right here. It really accents my hybrid racing shifter they worked so hard on and did so much R&D on.
Wow.
We spent like 2 months and a half redoing my interior. We forgot the final thing. We had ambient lighting for the win. We went from a brown interior to a suede interior to now a lit interior. That's what the kids are saying these days. Oh yeah, that's perfect. It's literally it's heavy, so it's pulling the dash.
Remote control. Oh, why didn't all 3 of them work?
Do they not have batteries in them?
They do.
Oh, there you go. Oh!
Boom! Remote control.
Change the color, my dude.
You want green? We got green. You want red? We got red. You want blue? We got blue. You want all of them? Oh boy. Look at that. You want flash?
Man, the whole world gets to see my hairy freaking legs. You know what they say about cinematography, Jeff?
What they say.
No one is ever ugly, they're just lit improperly. And my legs are now not ugly anymore. We solved all of our road trip problems in one shopping cart. Is it perfect? No. Should you do it? Probably not. But we did it anyway, because I was curious, like, how good is the quality of these products? Because they're super cheap, right? Not only that, they all tell you that you get cancer. But huge thanks to my $4,000 option Jeff for holding the camera and holding the other things. By the way, in order to do videos like this one, I have to be supported through Patterson Car Care, which is my detail brand. If you don't know what Patterson Car Care is, it is the cheapest way to get premium detail products in 32-ounce bottles. Plenty of supply, you'll never run out. And thank you all so much for supporting me, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.